It's not a 300 level, it's a 200 level. Now he wants us to change the student's level from the database. It's a very simple thing to do. That means you want to update your database. And that is very simple too. So you just let me try and comment it out so you can know what I'm trying to do. In an aspect. Change an aspect of the data. So we use all these things are very, very simple and straightforward English. When you see select, you know you want to retrieve something from it. And from where do you want to select it from? You put it there. So now I want to use update because we want to change an aspect of our data. So update, which table do you want to update? So I want to update student table because the student like to the vice chancellor that is in 300 level. Meanwhile, is in 200 level. So update student table. Now, what do we want to change? We want to change in the level, the class level from 300 level to 200 level. So we tell SQL to set class level is equal to 200. Now, where do you want to do this? We've told SQL that we want to update this specific table. Now, we want to change 300 level to 200 level. But where exactly do you want to do? So we have to tell SQL that okay, where the student ID. You can use anything for your where. So far you are trying to tell you something. You can say where first name is equal to Shayo, or where last name is equal to James, or where date of birth is equal to this, or where phone number is equal to. So SQL knows that wherever that phone number is equal to whatever it is you are defining, to change the class level there to 200. So now let's assume I want to filter it out with student ID. Where student ID is equal to 7962. I put my semicolon. So now when I run this, it ran. But there's no way we can see that for now. So we have to retrieve or select that table again for us to know if it has changed. You know, initially the level for Mr. Shayo in the student table is 300 level. So now let's check again to see what the level is after updating that database. Now we can see that the class level has changed from 300 level to 200 level. I would like to know if we got it to that extent. Okay, Mr. Kudu said yes. Please, do we understand what I just did now? I tried to update the details in that database. Okay, Mr. Habib said yes. I'm here to see Mr. Francis. Is he still on? Okay, while I'm waiting for Mr. Francis, let's try and go back. So after changing that, then the vice chancellor came back again and said, Mr. Data Analyst, there is a lecturer, Mr. What is the lecturer's name? Sorry, Mr. Adams Dust wants to leave, probably because of inflation and the banditry and what have you in the country. He's no longer interested in staying in the country. He wants to go to probably United Kingdom or America or Canada or what have you. But the vice chancellor wants to entice him with with his salary and told him, okay, oh, Mr. Adams, please, we don't want you to leave. We will increase your salary. And he said, okay, if you can increase my salary, then I will stay. Then he agreed with the vice chancellor that, okay, you guys will be paying me times two of what I was earning before. President, the vice chancellor said, okay, then we'll increase your salary to 1,002. Said, okay, no wahala. But the principal wants that salary detail to reflect in the new database, in the old database, pardon me. So now I have to update that lecturer table too. So I just put update lecturer lecturer table. Set. What do we want to set? We want to set salary. We want to set salary to 1,002. 1,002. Yes, it's as though they are putting extra tip for him of, let's say, 70 cents, where you have to define this, where lecturer ID is equal to 2, or let's say where first name is equal to Adams. It's equal to Adams, then you end it with a semicolon. Now, when I do this, front, now let's go and check if Mr. Adam's salary has been increased from $600 to $1,200. So now let's pick this retrieving statement that select all columns from lecturer table. So now we can see that it has reflected in our database. Now Mr. Adams produced salary has been increased, and it's now $1,270, 70 pounds. Pardon. Please, can someone attend to Mr. Francis, please? Please, for those that follow through with the update statement that I just ran just now, did we get it? I would like to get your responses, please.
Can you kindly scroll to the update section, please?
Update. Which of the updates, please?
Students.
Students, okay. Okay, Mr. Kudu said he understands, but he haven't run the command himself. Okay. So this is the update. Please, you can unmute yourself whenever it is you want to ask a question. I should be able to attend to the few ones now. If I can't, then those on the chat will help out with that. So this is your update. So it's just simple. Just for me to recap. Whenever you want to change a certain aspect of your table, use the update. Update student table set. That means you want to change it from specific class level to a different one. You will change it.
Can I share my screen? I wrote the same query, but it's returning error.
Is that Mr. Francis?
Yes.
Okay, yes. Please share your screen.
Yes. Can you see my screen?
Okay, Mr. Francis, let's see.
So I said update student table. Then I now said set class level, where
There is no 200 in the table. Okay, 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 okay.
this
Where,
is
okay.
this is the update. It was
I
100
get.
actually.
It's correct.
Yes,
Where
student ID equals to 26282.
it is okay. You use the different
Yes,
student
yes,
ID, right?
yes. I'm coming. Let me retrieve the student table so that you see it. This is the student table.
Try now, look at it.
No, this one is for the select. I reviewed it so that you see the details in the field to connote with this. This is student ID.
Mr. Francis, please talk to us. Let us know what's going on.
Yeah, can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you
I
now.
said I actually retrieved the table so that you can see the values in each field.
You ran it now and it ran now.
No, that is review. That is retrieve.
Okay,
Let me run it
okay.
now. This is the update. Look at it. The update is not running.
Your student ID, is it correct?
Yes, look at it.
Check it.
And also look at it here. Look at the student ID. Look at it. 26282.
Is that what it is for both IDs?
No, 26242. The second one is 42. Second one is 8. First one is 82.
42. Okay, just wait, please. The,
Yes, sir.
Try to change your what you call your table name. Try to change the table name to be in the same case as the one you have in the database. Make I don't know if you understand something. Let us try to troubleshoot if you can get it.
Okay. All right. Wow. Let me even
there's
change.
something wrong with your code.
Yes, that's what I'm thinking. No, it's not coming up at all.
It's your spelling. It's your spelling somewhere. It's not getting it. Are you
Yeah.
sure you spelled your student ID right in your table?
Look at it
I
here.
can't.
Look at
I
my.
can't see. It's blurry somehow.
Whoa.
Blurry. Okay. Uh, don't use student ID again. Use first name. Use
Like,
first name.
Let me use the first name as the unique
First name.
attribute
Use first name.
instead of
Then first name
this
is
type.
equal to. No. That would be class level. Says class level is equals to where's the equal to sign there? Put your equal to sign. Where first name equal to Ambrose. Put that in. Okay.
is this correct?
Yes, you can run that. Try that.
Still returning error.
Yeah, hello, can I say something?
Yes, please.
Yes, please. Okay, now for the class level, if you check your data, there is no class level of 200. What you have there is 100. Check
No,
it well.
he's trying to change. No, he's trying to change. He's trying to change.
Okay. You want to change. Okay.
Yeah, he's trying to change. Come in. It's not getting the table. That means the name of the table is wrong. Something is wrong.
This is my code for creating the table. This is where I created my table.
What's the name of your student table?
Here is it. Student table.
Please copy that name. Copy.
Yes.
Yes. Paste that there.
Okay.
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 I think we should just
I
continue.
think we should just continue.
I'll try to troubleshoot it later.
Try that first.
Yeah, I've done that. I've even alternated it, but
Oh, sorry,
still.
maybe you should keep trying. Something is wrong somewhere. Your it might be the spelling.
Okay.
It might be the spelling. It might be the spelling. So for those of us that are still here,